Hello children, today's class for Standard 3, Subject Social Science, revision for March month examination. Children, I hope all of you must have got your portion and blueprint for this exam. What is the portion, children? In term 1 you have Panchayat lesson and in term 2 you have historical place. Okay, now let us go to the revision. If you have your textbook, kindly take your textbook beside you as the revision goes on. Okay, children? Now let us go to the revision. Panchayat lesson in term 1. Choose the correct answer. Panchayat is a dash level government. District, state, village. Village level government. VILLAGE. Village level government. Dash introduced the word Gram Sarvaj. Who introduced the word Gram Sarvaj? Kamaraj, Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi. The lower level of three-tier system is dash Panchayat. District, block level or village level. Village. Who elects the vice president of Panchayat? People, ward members, district collector. People. The tenure of the members of the Panchayat is dash 15 years, 10 years, 5 years. So 5 years is your answer. This is a choose the correct answer. Now let us go for match the following. Kuduvole. I given the straight answer for match the following, but in question paper it will come in jumbled way. You have to match the correct answer. You can write question plus answer for match the following. Kindly children, every time I am telling you all, kindly write the question plus answer for the match the following. If you are not going to write the question for the match the following, I'll just score it out. I won't give you all marks, because each and every time Mrs. keep on telling you all write the question and answer. But most of you all are not listening. Only you all are writing the answer, or only you all are putting the numbers. In that's the case, we won't give you any mark. Okay, let us go for the revision. Kuduvole, old system of election. Gram Panchayat, people above 500. Planting trees, dictionary function. Street light, obligatory function. Gram Sabha, development of plans. Next we are going to see question answers. Kindly see children. What is village panchayat? A village panchayat provides the basic facilities to the village people. What is a village panchayat? A village panchayat provides the basic facility to the village people. What are the three-tier system? District level, block level and village level are the three-tier system. Okay, the third question answer. Write any three obligatory function of the panchayat. Miss may ask you in detail also. Kindly go through with this question answers. Obligatory and dictionary function, it may come in detailed question answer for you all. Answer is providing drinking water, constructing small bridges, repairing primary school building. Write any three discrimination functions of village panchayat. Planting trees in either sides of the road, setting up of gardens, maintaining the cleanliness of village. Okay, the last question you see, when is the Gram Sabha meeting held? Answer is 26th January, 15th August, 1st May and 2nd October. Next we go further. This is the for Panchayat lesson children. If you have your classwork, kindly go through with your classwork and your book back exercises also. If you have your textbook, kindly go through with your book back exercise. In between of the lesson, I will take some fill in the blanks, choose or anything. So go through with the full lesson children. It is more important. In between of the lesson, I will take one or two questions for you all to know how you all understood the lesson. Okay, so go through with the full lesson also once or twice. Next we go for the term 2 lesson historical place. If you have your term 2 textbook, kindly pick up your term 2 textbook. The first one is choose the correct answer. Seashore temple is at dash. Mahabalipuram, Tiruchi, Madurai. Mahabalipuram. Fort St. George is at dash. Kanjipuram, Chennai, Tiruchi. Chennai. There are dash styles of architectures at Mahabalipuram. 634. 4. Thiruvalluvar wrote dash. Thirukural. Thirukural Nanani Atichudi. Thirukural. Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Koil was built with dash. Multi-stone, two-stone, single stone. Single stone. These are the choose the correct answer. If you have your textbook, kindly go through with your book back exercise. Here you are going to see now match the following for the historical place. Vivekananda Rock, Kanyakumari, Museum, St. George Fort, Jinji Fort, Villupuram, Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram, yeah, Miss have made some mistake, children. Mahabalipuram, yeah, answer should come as Pallavas and Periya Koil should come as Cholas. Okay, I have wrongly typed here. Kindly, if you have a textbook, go through with your textbook. Mahabalipuram, Pallavas, Periya Kovil, Cholas. So change the answer here. Don't write the same answer. I have given wrongly here, children. Vivekananda Rock, Kanyakumari, Museum, St. George Fort, Jinji Fort, Villupuram, Mahabalipuram, Pallavas. It should come Pallavas, Pallavas, Pallavas. And Periya Kovil only. Who built Periya Kovil? Rajaraja Cholan. So Cholas will come in the Periya Kovil. Cholas, Cholas. Next is fill in the blanks. Temples at dash were built by Pallavas. So, wow. Mahabalipuram, Mahbali, Mahabalipuram, Puram, Puram. Next is the first English fort is in dash, India, India, India. The third one, the seashore is surrounded by dash, Bay of Bengal, Bay, Bay of Bengal, Bengal, Bengal. Next, Thiruvalluvar wrote the famous dash, Thirukural, Thirukural, Thirukural. Thirukural as dash Adhigaram, 133 Adhigaram. Okay, the next one, true or false? Chandru went to museum. Where Chandru went? Chandru went to stationery shop. So it is false. The chart has pictures of historical place in Tamil Nadu. True. Mahabalipuram is in Kanjipuram. False. Nandi was built using a single stone. True. Tanjavur Periya Koil, also known as Bradishwara Temple. True. So if you go through with your book classwork or in the PDF whatever I sent, it will be very easy for you to learn for your exam. Or if you have copied the classwork, kindly go through with your classwork. Now let us go for the answer the following for historical place. What are inside the Fort St. George? The fort as a museum and a church. The Secretariat of Tamil Nadu is inside the fort. Again, I will repeat the answer. What are inside Fort St. George? The fort as a museum and a church. The Secretariat of Tamil Nadu is inside the fort. Write a short note on Thiruvalluvar statue. The Thiruvalluvar statue is in Kanyakumari. It is 133 feet tall. It reminds us Thirukural as 133 Adhigaram. Again I am repeating, Thiruvalluvar statue is in Kanyakumari. It is 133 feet tall. It reminds us Thirukural as 133 Adhigaram. Next we are going to see, name the 3 water bodies which are surrounded by Thiruvalluvar statue. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Who built Tanjavur Periya Koil? Raj Cholan built the Tanjavur Periya Koil. Who built Tanjavur Periya Koil? Raj Cholan built the Tanjavur Periya Koil. The fifth one, write any special features of Tanjavur Periya Koil temple. Tanjavur Periya Koil, also known as Bradishwara temple, the Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone. The shadow of the temple does not fall on the ground. Here Nandi spelling is wrong. Put N for Nandi. Okay. Tanjavur Periya Koil, also known as Bradishwara temple, the Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone. The shadow of the temple does not fall on the ground. Okay, the detailed question answers I have given as describe the Jinji fort. So you have to give 4 points on Jinji fort. Jinji fort is in Viluppura district. It is one of the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. We can also see hills in Jinji fort. There are two types of Jinji fort. One is Jinji King Fort and another is Jinji Queen Fort. Again, I repeat the detailed question answers. Describe the Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort is in Viluppuram district. It is one of the oldest fort in Tamil Nadu. We can also see hills in the Jinji Fort. There are two types of Jinji Fort. One is Jinji King Fort and other is Jinji Queen Fort. Okay, children, these are the question answers and one word. I have another one word for you all. Underline the odd ones. You already done in essay 2 examination, I think so. Kindly go through it. I have given the odd ones. You need to underline it or you need to circle it. Fort St. George, Mahabalipuram, Vivekananda Rock, Thiruvalluvar statue, Chart, Adhigaram, Nandi, Indian Ocean, Periyakovil, Chola, Tirukural and chapter. So you all know which are the historical place like Fort St. George, Mahabalipuram, Vivekananda Rock, Thiruvalluvar statue are called as historical place. So Chart is not a historical place, Adhigaram is not a historical place, Nandi is a historical statue. So you cannot count it. So Indian Ocean is not historical place. So Chola is the name of a Rajaraja Cholan. Tirukural and chapter are not historical place. So you need to underline the odd ones, not the historical place. You need to underline the odd ones of the which is not as a historical place. You need to underline it or circle it. Okay, children, these are the one word and question answers in 2 lessons, that is Panchayat lesson and historical place. So Miss is going to give you all 2 drawings in the exam. What are the 2 drawings? One is draw the museum. It is a museum where you are going to draw it, and other one is 3-tier system. No need you to write all the details of 3-tier system. Draw the 3-tier system and only mark district level, block level and village level, and you need to color it. If you don't color the drawing, I will cut marks for it. Okay, children, I hope you all must have gone through with the revision and it will be very easy for you all to write your exam, where even one words will be harsh from the textbook also. So once or twice go through with your textbook fully. Anywhere miss will ask one word also. Okay, children, prepare well for your exam. Thank you, children.